Well, good morning, guys. BP here. We are in Saskatoon. We're at Dam Galvanizing. We were told to be here for in between 9 and 10 a.m. We actually got here at 8:45 a.m. It's 10:28 a.m. and we're still sitting here waiting.
I'm more worried about that accident when it flying out and hitting me.
Babe, you're on candid camera. Yep. How do you like sitting in the truck, just doing absolutely nothing, sitting at Dam Galvanizing, taking in all these wonderful sights?
It's not the first time, it won't be the last.
It's not the first, it won't be the last. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's Thursday morning, September the 10th. Hope everybody's safe out there. Hope them boys down in Oregon are staying safe, and hopefully them forest fires aren't getting you guys. Anyways, we'll find out what the hell's happening here, and I don't know what we're gonna do, if we stick around here much longer, if we're gonna take off and come back, or what. I'll let you guys know. Well, guys, we decided to just piss off because it's gonna be a while yet. So check out this thing. There's a sweet little ride, eh? Yeah, that's a nice one. Yep, I like that one.
Time to get rid of the truck.
What?
We're gonna get that car.
We're gonna get that car, we're gonna get rid of the truck and end this trucking thing?
And just drive.
And just drive around? Okay. Sounds like a plan. Let's go get some friggin' fresh coffee. Talk to you guys later. Well, guys, I've come to the realization now. Used to be a time where you'd be out, you were single, out and about, and you'd see a pretty girl. You saw her face and you said, oh, she's a pretty girl. And then you would look at the rest of her. Now, you gotta look at her ass, because you can't see her face. because you gotta have your face covered with all, when you go into all these damn stores nowadays. Talk to you later. Alrighty, guys, well, we're finally loaded. We got everything on board. The last pallet, finally, right there. So you're making that a little bit too big, large.
But I like it big.
Here, I'll do this. How you like it, is it? Large and in charge.
Don't tell my secrets.
You just did. Sure you got that tight enough back. Good job, girl. Good job. Might make a trucker girl out of you yet. There we go. Done. Just like that. Yahoo. Let's get the hell out of here.
Push the button.
Push the button. Alrighty, guys. So we got home. The trailer's still loaded because now that product has to go to Grenfell on Monday afternoon. So we're hooked up to the big round baler, the BR780. We're gonna rip some bands off and change out some pickup teeth. Because if you could see, this one is missing right here. The one's there, the other one's gone. There's another one missing behind it. There's a couple missing over there. Another one here. Another one down there. So yeah, right here there's one. Here there's one. So we got a few to pick up and replace. So we're going to rip some bands off and get some new ones in here and get ready to rock and roll for straw for this weekend. So let's get at her. Alrighty, guys. So when you're wanting to change your pickup bands out, what I find easiest for these balers, take your pickup chain drive, which is this guy right here. It goes on this sprocket here. And I got a phone call. I gotta take this. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, we're back. So like I was saying, pull your drive chain off of this sprocket. This is the drive chain here, and it basically just goes around like that. And then there's this guy right here, this tensioner block. It goes in here underneath, and you lift it up like so, like that. So you take your block out, and then you can slip your chain off. Like so. That way you can spin that. And there's wifey. You look impressed?
No, I'm fine.
This way you can get to all the bars easily just by turning them in here, and you don't have to turn the whole damn baler over. Just saying this for all you guys that have never done this. You might have to give that a tap if it's never been off by the looks of it. Right here. There you go. See? Just like so. Now there's the bolt. Everything in here is kind of a pain in the royal you know what, guys. But you got to get this off of the spring. And the bolt comes out like so, and that pin. And then we got to get this thing, babe, off of here. That could be a bit of a pain in the royal. Oh, you pinched yourself. There you go. So yeah, and that's how they all go back together. And the bolt goes through there. You got to give it a turn. The head of the bolt is actually got a slot in it that fits specific. See that right there? So you got to turn the bolt so it fits like that. I'll just show this to these guys here. So if you guys can see that, how that bolt is slotted just a little, or not slotted, but it's oval shaped, the head, so it fits in that plate. And then this round piece
Do you need help?
goes over top, like so. Like so.
Where's my nut?
I don't know what you did with the nut. What'd you do with the nut?
I lost my nut.
You lost your nuts. She lost her nuts, guys. Anyway, I'm going to let you go, and we're going to continue on with this, and we'll bring you back in a little bit. Well, guys, she's like freaking, I don't know, 10 o'clock, 10:30 at night. Pickup's all put back together, went out to Alberta, back again, tore the pickup apart, put it all back together, and there you go. She's hooked up and we're going. So that's what's happening here now. We're a bailing her. So I don't know how long we'll be out here. I'll try and get all the headlands done, get that stuff all wrapped up. I'm having some issues here with my cord for my monitor. It keeps wanting to kick out, and that's usually a plug-in issue on these balers. So I'll have to address that here once I get rid of this bale that I got going on in here right now. But I will let you guys go. Give us the old thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and let's get her done. Catch you guys tomorrow.